MDI Hospital is a 25-bed critical access hospital in Bar Harbor, Maine. We have a network of health centers across our island and in Trenton. We offer a wide variety of services from women's health, behavioral health, surgical services, orthopedics. It's just not something that our community was aware of. REACH was able to help us by developing a provider database that's readily accessible to our community.
We've heard that the site is clean, fresh, easy to navigate, and people love that it's mobile optimized and they have the same look and feel on their phone that they do on their computer. REACH was able to help us every step of the way. Our needs as a healthcare organization are very specific, and each question and concern we had was addressed by REACH in a wonderful, timely manner. It made us feel very confident in our ability to move forward with our new site.